Visit Woods, Woodland Trust, Scotland. Woodland Trust Scotland and Dementia Adventure have been working in partnership to enable people with dementia to access woodlands and other green spaces in Scotland. Their research has shown significant physical, social and emotional benefits for people living with dementia getting out into nature. Based on Woodland Trust Scotland experiences and those of the people with dementia, carers and families they have worked with, they created resources and training to help care home managers, dementia group leaders and countryside managers to enable people with dementia to visit the outdoors. These resources are available to help people with dementia explore nature. Visit Woods helps bring enjoyment to those who are affected by dementia.
Nature is a great healer, and it soothes you, it calms you, it makes you feel good about yourself and others. I won't remember the place, but I will remember the smells and the sound, and that can trigger a memory that I had forgotten, and that memory will trigger the feel-good factor, and it'll put the smile on my face. Someone will say, "What are you smiling about?" And I'll think, I know I was in a place, can't remember where it was, but oh gosh, did I have a good time.
The Woodland Discovery Days tend to be deeply emotional. I remember one woman who was receiving end-of-life care. We were able to get her into this outdoor willow classroom where she was given a few flowers. She was holding them and she burst into tears. I went over to her and said, "Are you okay? Can I help?" And she said, "I'm just happy."
Once again, congratulations to Visit Woods for Most Innovative Partnership.